Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll show you how to customize the One UI 8.5 lock screen from the default appearance into a much more stylish and attractive look. There are two tips that we'll share directly in this video, and you can immediately apply them to your One UI 8.5 lock screen. Interestingly, one of these tips also works on older versions of One UI, including One UI 7. Okay, now let's get straight into the tips. The first customization tip you can try after updating to One UI 8.5 is changing the lock screen clock font style. To customize the lock screen clock style, just press and hold on the lock screen, then unlock the font with your fingerprint. Next, tap on the clock display. Then inside the font and color section, swipe all the way to the right, tap the three-dot icon, and there you can immediately change the font style. If you don't have any fonts installed yet, simply tap Download Fonts to download them first from the Galaxy Store. Inside the Galaxy Store, there are already several free fonts available for download. From here, you can download the fonts individually and directly apply them to the lock screen clock. In addition to the free fonts, there are also several premium fonts that you can download. Then after downloading the fonts from the Galaxy Store, you can now choose them from the font style settings to use as the lock screen clock font. But honestly, some of the free fonts from the Galaxy Store still look a bit too standard for the lock screen. And actually, there are even better fonts that we often use in some of our previous videos. So here we'll first install a more stylish font to make the lock screen clock look better. If you want more stylish fonts for the lock screen clock, you can find the download link in this Entertainment Telegram channel. Simply join the group and open the link that we've provided. After opening the link, you'll be redirected to a GitHub page containing font files shared by the HiHiJuice account. Shout out to the HiHiJuice account for sharing these font files. Then here, simply scroll down and download the latest release. The latest release version is version 5.0.zip. After downloading it, open the My Files app or any file manager, then open the zip file. If the downloaded file still uses the .bin extension, simply rename it to .zip. After renaming it to .zip, simply open it and extract the font files. From here, you can immediately install the fonts and apply them to the lock screen clock for a more stylish appearance. Since the fonts are installed outside the Play Store or Galaxy Store, you'll need to disable Auto Blocker first. So you can open Phone Settings, then go to Security and Privacy and open Auto Blocker. Then temporarily disable the Auto Blocker feature. Next, let's install all the fonts so they can be applied to the lock screen clock. Once the fonts are installed, you can go back to the lock screen settings and customize the clock font style. And now there are plenty of fonts you can directly apply to create a more stylish lock screen look. One of the fonts that we frequently use in our previous videos is the lock screen Oppo Big Clock. From here, you can also make the font size smaller or bigger based on your preference. Then you can also apply different font styles using these new fonts. The weather information and date display above the clock will also remain visible even after changing the font style. Now you can customize your One UI 8.5 lock screen to look much more stylish and attractive. Besides customizing the lock screen clock font, One UI 8.5 also introduces several dynamic wallpapers featuring new interactive animations. These wallpapers can be found by opening the lock screen wallpaper settings and going to the graphical category. In One UI 8.5, these wallpapers now come with interactive animation effects that look much more attractive. And here you can download each wallpaper one by one. Besides updating wallpapers from previous One UI versions with animation effects, there are also some entirely new wallpapers, such as the basketball-themed wallpaper. Next, we'll try using the wallpaper and see how the animation appears on the lock screen. And this is how the basketball wallpaper looks, where the basketball animation becomes interactive and can be tapped directly. The animation effect will instantly respond to your touch interactions. Then the second interactive wallpaper features a yellow ball floating on top of a swimming pool. And when you tap it, the ball animation will bounce naturally along with the water reflection effect. Then the third wallpaper features a tennis-themed design. This wallpaper was already available in previous versions of One UI, but previously it didn't include animations. Now in One UI 8.5, the tennis ball in the wallpaper can be tapped and will move according to your touch. Lastly, the cloud-themed wallpaper from previous One UI versions now also comes with interactive touch animations. So those are some lock screen customization tips you can try after updating to One UI 8.5, making the display look much more stylish and interactive. If you like content like this and want more updates about upcoming features, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And if there's any topic you want us to discuss in the next videos, you can leave your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.